आज सोआरे दुईदिनिया मानव संबल कनक्लेव आयोजन करा शिक्षा और अनुसंधान डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी और ग्लोबल वर्कफोर्स मैनेजमेंट मिलित आनुकूल्य यह कनक्लेव आयोजित होउछि। कनक्लेव मुख्य प्रसंग रही दक्षता वृद्धि करने और विकास को त्वरान्वित करने। दक्षता वृद्धि करिबारे कॉर्पोरेट गुड़िकर भूमिका, सामाजिक स्तर में किभली दक्षता खोजी बाहर करा जाय परिबो एवं दक्षता वृद्धि नहीं विभिन्न कौशल प्रयोग करा जाय परिबो से दिगरे आलोचना कराजिबो। सुआरे द्वितीय थर पई हेउथिबा आयोजित हेउथिबा कनक्लेव रे उभय व्यावसायिक एवं शिक्षा क्षेत्र में अग्रणी व्यक्ति विशेष एकत्रित हेबे।
And at the present time, we have to also make changes, required keeping pace with the changes in the national scenario. For example, the most recent example perhaps is the slowdown in the industry, slowdown in the commercial sectors of the country, which created such a depressing impact once the last budget was presented. And possibly, with the overall global scenario, the financial sectors, the financial domain of India, which has always been the strongest in Asia and perhaps several parts of the world, has also started, shaking up a bit. So people are making comments from here and there and predicting at times a future which may not be as bright as it appeared to be 2 years back. But the government has also appropriately responded. Those of you who are aware of the press meeting, the long press meeting taken by the present finance minister yesterday, it is almost like making correctives or taking corrective steps en route. It is not, earlier it used to be once a budget has been presented, it would be almost untouchable, it would be almost unmodifiable till the next financial year, except wherever certain revisions are required. But now it is no longer so. As was evidence yesterday, multiple alterations have been made in the thought process, multiple changes have been made in the tax structure, multiple relaxations have been made in what would have been earlier perceived as criminal lapses or criminal omissions in carrying out one's business. But all these things eventually will also be linked to the HR segment of a particular organization. So this is all at a higher level. But for you students, the target is a very short target, that is to get placed. You want to get placed at organizations which will be able to best utilize your competence, which will be able to best utilize your professional training, which will be able to best utilize your having graduated from a renowned institution. But at the same time, what used to be something like textbook based learning or something like a teaching learning based learning till about a decade back has now almost changed itself to a theory come skill development learning. So today, if you are not skilled, if you might be extremely knowledgeable in your particular area, you might be a gold medalist, you might be